Aditi Nair is here. Aditi, what did you make of the policy statement? 25 basis points on expected lines. Would you call this a dovish policy, a neutral policy with a rate cut? How would you classify it? And what stood out from the statement for you?
So I definitely won't call it dovish. He did mention upside risks to inflation. I think there was a very hopeful note which was struck in a sense, talking about resilience amidst global uncertainties, etc. But it was a very pragmatic policy, and I think overall very much in line with what we were expecting, that we'll get a rate cut without any change in stance. And even towards the end, the mention that we're going to look at the outlook every single time to decide what we're going to do. I think that's absolutely the right approach. In any case, this rate cut cycle is expected to be very shallow. We're not expecting more than one more rate cut. So there's very little point actually to change the stance to accommodative. So I think it's much better that we've retained it at neutral. And this gives all the flexibility to the MPC to decide policy after policy what looks best for the Indian economy. And a couple of more points, 4.2% CPI inflation for next year, that's in line with our own estimate. And what's that's basically suggesting is that neither are the tax cuts expected to be very inflationary. And while, of course, the upside risks to inflation were mentioned, but again, similar to our own view, that the exchange rate depreciation will have a much bigger impact on the WPI and a smaller and more lagged and delayed impact on the CPI. So while upside risks were mentioned, the CPI inflation projection actually for FY26 has been mentioned at 4.2%, which is in line with our own extant projection as well.
Aditi, hi, Tamanna here. Just wondering on what you made of the GDP forecast and the inflation forecast. They've stuck to the inflation forecast. I think GDP second quarter has been tweaked down a little. Just your reading into where Governor Malhotra thinks growth will go.
So actually, the GDP growth forecast, I think, is a little bit on the higher side. We are at 6.5% each for FY25 and FY26. I suppose the MPC has just taken the NSO first advanced estimate of 6.4% instead of giving a new estimate now.